Good morning, children. Already we discussed skip counting, that is a sequence of numbers following a fixed gap. Now you are going to write skip counting in 5-digit numbers. Complete the series and counting by fours. So the gap between two numbers should be 4. The 64,852 is given and you have to write the next number. So just counting in fours means you have to add 4 to the ones place digit to get the next number. 64,856. And the next number is add 4 to 8. 56 plus 4 is 60. So 64,860 and 64,864. So observe this, these two, these are the numbers formed after adding 4 to the units place digit. 52 becomes 56, 56 plus 4 60. So the remaining digits remain the same. Now come to this number 5,76,380. So the next number is 5,76,384. After adding 4 you got this number 5,76,388. 5,76,392 is the next number. 392. By adding 4 to this 88, you get 392. Now counting by thousands. So just you have to increase the thousands place digit by 1. This is 7,22,536. So the next number would be 7,23,536. So the thousands place digit is increased by 1. Next, 7,24,536. So this is the increased number by 1000. 7,25,536. So the thousands place digit is increased by 1. This is 87,300. This is the thousands place digit. It should be increased by 1. 88,300. 8 is the thousands place increased. 89,300. After 89,000, what is the next number? 90,000. So 90,300. 90,300. The thousands place digit is increased by 1 and you got this number. 89,300 and 90,300. This is counting by lakhs. So the number is given 4,40,000 and you have to write the next number by counting by lakhs. So underline the lakhs place digit here 4. 4,40,000. It becomes 5,40,000. Just increase the lakhs place digit by 1. 5,40,000. 5,40,000 is the next number. Just there is a change in the lakhs place digit. Next number is 6,40,000. Just 5 becomes 6 in the lakhs place. 7,40,000. So, in this way, according to the instruction, you can write the next number in the series. Coming to the next concept, successor. Already you have learnt in 4-digit numbers. Successor is nothing but the given number plus 1. Next number. Predecessor is nothing but before number. Given number minus 1. Successor is the next number and predecessor is the before number. So, let us learn to write the successor and predecessor in 5 and 6 digit numbers. Write the successor of 52,708. To get the successor, add 1 to this number, that is 52,798 plus 1, 52,799. This is the next, the successor of 6,24,899. 6,24,899 plus 1 gives you 6,24,900. This is the successor of this number, 6,24,899 and 6,24,900. And now coming to the predecessor, predecessor is nothing but the before number, and just to get it, just subtract 1 from the given number. 25,731 minus 1, 25,730. Next, coming to the next number, 9,40,000. 9,40,000 minus 1. Minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. It becomes 9, 9, 9. 3. 93,000. 9,39,999. So 9,40,000 minus 1 is 9,39,999. That is the predecessor of this number, 9,40,000. In this way, you can get the successor and predecessor of all the 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. And all the exercises are regarding these 5 and 6-digit numbers are given from 10 to 13 pages. You can complete all the exercises regarding these concepts. Comparison of numbers. Children, already we learnt in 4-digit numbers how to compare numbers. The same digits, the same rules are applicable to 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Compare the numbers 52,347 and 2,05,720. So, two numbers are given here, 52,347, 2,05,720. First rule is count the number of digits in each number. This has 5 digits and this has 6 digits. The number with less number of digits is always smaller. So 52,347 is smaller than 2,05,720. Now compare 6,89,502, 6,84,600. So start comparing from extreme left. 6, 6, 8, 8. So the digits in the lakhs and 10,000s are same. And coming to this thousands place, 9 and 4. 9 greater than 4. So this number is greater than this number. In this way, you can compare the numbers. If you know which number is bigger, which number is smaller, you can easily write a given numbers in ascending order or descending order. So, now let us go with ascending order or and descending order. Now arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is writing the numbers from smaller to bigger. So, check the number of digits in each number, and in this it has 4 digits and remaining all have 5 and 6. So this is the smallest number. So 8,463 comes first, and among these three, these two have 6 digits and this has 5 digits. So next comes 82,745, and these two numbers have same number of digits. Always start comparing from extreme left, 1 and 3 in lakhs place. So 1 less than 3, so this comes first here. 1,43,000. Oh. 1,43,568, and this is 3,05,742. So in this way you can arrange the set of numbers. Now there is another set. We shall write this in descending order. Descending order is arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Check the number of digits in each number. These two have 6 digits in this set. Now start comparing the digits from extreme left. Both the numbers have 4 in the lakhs place. Now come to 10,000s place, this 7 and 6. You know that 7 greater than 6, so this number comes first. $4,72,850. Next thing is, these two have 5 digits, so this comes next. 4,64,235, and these two are 5 digit numbers, so check from extreme left, 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1, so this comes next. 24,750 and 10,000 700. In this way, you can arrange all the 5 and 6 digit numbers, given 6 digit numbers in ascending order or descending order. Children, the next concept is forming the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. 6 digits are given and you have to form the greatest number and smallest number with these. Greatest number. To get the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order, that is from big to small. 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 1. Now insert commas. The greatest number is 9,86,431. In the same way, smallest number can be formed by arranging the digits in ascending order, that is from small to big. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 1,34,689. And the next is 7, 3, 0, 4, 6, 9 are given. To form the greatest number, see that we should never start any number with 0, and 0 should not be at the extreme left, it has no value. So, other than 0, which is the greatest number here? 9. So, start, write 9. తప్పు చెప్పాను నాన్న, ప్లీజ్. హే కార్తీక్, ఇది కొంచెం తప్పు చెప్పాను, నేను డిలీట్ చేయాలి. With the digits 7, 3, 0, 4, 6, 9, to write the greatest number, write these digits in descending order. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 0. And coming to the smallest number, 0 should not be written at the extreme left of a number. So, other than 0, write with the smallest number is 3. Start with that number to write the smallest number, and 0 should be kept after the smallest number, and write the remaining digits in ascending order. Three lakhs 4,679 is the smallest number, and 9,76,430 is the greatest number. The thing you have to remember is, while writing the smallest number, when 0 is there, we should not start with 0, and other than 0, which is smaller, you have to start with that, and 0 should be kept after that number, and remaining digits in ascending order. There are many there is an exercise regarding this in page number 16. You can complete this. Children, until now you learnt about 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now coming to the 7-digit number, what is the largest 6-digit number? 9,99,999. If you add 1 to it, you get 10 lakhs. You get 10 lakhs. This is the Smallest 7-digit number. What is the largest 7-digit number in the same way? That is 99,99,999. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. It has 7 digits. So, this is the largest 7-digit number, and when 1 is added to this, you get this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So, when 1 is added to the largest 7-digit number, you get 1 crore. 1 followed by 7 zeros, and it has 8 digits in it. So, this is the Indian place value. Let us go with the Indian place value chart. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So, crores. So, this is the Indian place value chart, and in ones period we have 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period 2 digits, thousands to 10,000s. In lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crores period, crores. So, we will insert a comma after every period. Ones period has 3 digits, thousands period has 2 digits, lakhs has 2 digits, and crores 1. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. So, each place is increasing by 10 or multiplied by 10 to get the next place. Commas are placed after every 3 digits first, and next after every 2 digits. According to the place value chart, let us write the number. So, this is read as 8 crores 94 lakhs 73,564. Comma is first kept after 3 digits, next after thousands period 2 digits, next after lakhs period 2 digits, and crores. 8 crores 94 lakhs 73,564. In this way, you will be able to read all the 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. Coming to the international place value chart. International place value chart. Once period, once, hundreds, tens, hundreds. Next, thousands. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Thousands period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions period. Millions. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Next comes billions. This is international place value chart, and here commas are kept after every 3 digits and in international system. Let us write a number in international system. See this, 9,635,700,000 and 428. This is the way you should read in international system. The places are same until 10,000. Lakhs becomes 100,000s, 10 lakhs becomes millions, and crores becomes 10 millions, and 100 millions is 10 crores. In this way, you can read a number in international system according to the place value chart. Write the number name in Indian and international system. In Indian system, insert commas first after 3 digits, next after 2 digits, thousands, 10,000s, next after 2 digits. Write the number names now. So this is lakhs period. Combine the digits before the comma. 28 lakhs 836,000 28 lakhs 36,000 28 lakhs 36,549. $549. And the same number in international system. Insert the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma. This is millions. After hundreds, thousands, millions comes. So you read it as 2 millions, 836,000. 3 digits in the thousands period. 836,000 549. So, children, all the concepts regarding 6-7 digit numbers are given here in the page number 19. You can complete them, and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp within a week. Thank you.